turns to 4, 4 turns to 8. Sleep and get paid, rich when I wait.
What's up, y'all? This your boy Jay Wayne, you know, representing Team Take Profits, and we're continuing the journey. This probably gonna be the last video to the 50 moving average strategy, and then we're gonna move on to master another indicator, and we're gonna just piece them all together. All right, you're gonna learn so much at the end of this series. I don't know how long this series is gonna be, but you're gonna learn a lot. Okay, so this is the 50. This is live. I took a live trade, and this time I hit the record button. I had enough time to hit the record button and actually watch this thing develop versus me putting in the replay. All right, so let's dive into the charts. So here we got GBP USD. All right, let's go to the 4 hour. Can you see that price broke the 50? All right, the 50 moving average, that's that red line. It broke it and became green. You can see the wicks. I saw the wick at the top. I saw the wick at the bottom next. That was the last thing that happened. All right, now we look at the pivot points, and I'm thinking that we wicked out at the pivot below, and we're going to go up to the top. Now, this is where I took an entry at, okay? And I trade $100 lot size because I got 100,000 in the account. Now, this was a big news day, okay? So, you know, look at GBP. And you had GBP with 3 red folders, and they're talking about consumer prices, our basket of items. They just telling you everything was positive, basically. And they're telling you what's everything compiled into coming up with this number. What all the data they were using. You guys can pause it and read it for yourself. But this one was positive as well, better than expected. And then you got one more. The most significant categories in the consumer price index is United Kingdom transport accounting, 16% of total weight. So you guys can pause the video and read that for yourself, or go to MyFX book. But everything was positive. See, we traded London, and this is New York. All right, this is New York that I took this trade, and everything was positive. Now, do you guys understand why is it positive? Because the numbers came back better than last year, or last month. I'm sorry. All right, so this is where my stop loss is going to be. I'm gonna put it. It look a little weird right here on a 4 hour chart, but if you go down to the 30-minute, you can see I put it at structure. But this is my take profit and stop loss here, so you guys can see it. I don't put a hard stop loss in all the time, especially when I'm scalping it. You know what I mean? I just got my stop loss where I want it to be. If price get down there, boom, I make a decision to take it out. I never keep letting it run back, and keep adjusting it. It's just that when price get to the stop loss, sometimes it'll just get there, tap it, and turn back around in my favor. So I want to just be able to see it and be able to say, okay, let's wait it out a little bit longer, versus just tapping it, I'm automatically out. Like I said, if it starts spiking or moving, I already got my finger on a button ready to delete the trade anyway. So you see how I got on a 30-minute chart the stop loss below the 50. All right, so if price come down there, close below that level, look like it's about to reverse, I'm out. And it's pretty much a 1-to-1, pretty much. And we just looking for about 10 pips. We want 10 pips and we dipping. All right, now currency heat wave. Y'all know I like to look at the currency heat wave, and you can see that GBP was a little stronger. It's still stronger from London session. Now we in New York session, and it's still stronger than USD. So that's good. Is it a lot stronger? No, it's not a lot stronger. So I don't expect it to be shooting up. That's why I'm thinking 10 pips. All right, because USD can get stronger at any second. You guys seen that before. Now look at the market sentiment on this, and that's talking about you know, look at the GBP. It's saying we're bullish 52%. USD bearish 52%. Now, I don't look at this tab a lot on a currency heat wave, but I just wanted to look at it and see what was going on, just to see everything coming together, confluence. You know what I mean? So we're in a little pullback right now, and price ain't gonna always just go in your favor right away. Sometimes it will, but you can see price broke the 50 on the hour, the 4-hour, and the 30-minute. So I just went for it. All right, I just went for it, and you know, it's just basically time to just let it play out. So like I was saying earlier, the inflation, right? The inflation was kicked up. I want to say, so it was like, I think last month it was 10.4. All right. And I'm just talking to y'all while we watching the chart and seeing it all develop, because I want y'all to see this. But 10.4. Today it came back to 10.1. Not a big difference, but it is a difference, and that's why it came back positive. That's why GBP was shooting up for London session. All right. So keep in mind, because remember, I'm learning fundamentals this year. I'm going to master fundamentals, and we're going to first start with the inflation, and you can go and see what last month was, and then let the numbers release the next month. And if it's positive, then the currency should keep, you know, will be bullish. And if that's the case, then I'm going to find opportunities. Now, I'm not going to just press the buy button, but what I am going to do is wait for a trade setup that will put me in on the buy side, put me in a bullish trade. Wait for that type of trade setup. Why? Because the numbers were positive. And that's going to be my first step into mastering fundamentals. I just got to take it one thing at a time. You know what I'm saying? One news event at a time. And so I mastered the technical stuff, and I got to stay sharp on it, but I'm going to master the fundamental part as well. All right, guys. So after a while, price started to shoot up again. It's starting to continue its journey. Like I said, I only won about 10 pips. So for me, that's about $1,000. $1,000 day is not bad. I'm telling you, when you can rake in $1,000 a day, you got to first be consistent and get this trading account built up. You guys can build these trading accounts from 5,000 to 10,000. And then once you got 10,000 in your account, you can turn that to 20. Once you at 20,000, you can easily make it to 50. All right. Now from 50 to 100,000 may take a little journey, but you can do that. You know what I'm saying? And I didn't get no prop firm challenge. You know what I'm saying? I didn't do none of that. And we're going to talk about that later, about the prop firms and all of that stuff. But I've been hearing a lot of crazy stuff going on with that. But I did it the hard route. But guess what? That's all my money. I get to take what I want. You know what I'm saying? And I built the skill set to go along with the money. I ain't just get lucky on the money. Now I know how to maintain it and keep it. And if I go through a rough patch to where like I'm making a couple losses in a row, I know how to dial it back. I don't got to keep up a quote, or I don't got to keep up versus like keep producing trades because I'm on a clock with people. No, I can do this at my own pace. That is the best way. That's freedom. I didn't want to get into forex and then still be tied down to a job or still be tied down to people taking my freedom away. I want complete freedom as much as possible. But I ain't nothing against people that do the prop firm thing, but just understand that all of them ain't good, and they not even paying people out. They giving people a hard time. All right. And also, if you're trying to get a robot to do that stuff for you, you need to be careful with that, because they banning that. They cracking down on that too. All right. And it's a way that they can know that you're using a robot to try to get these wins. So, but anyways, yeah, you can grow these accounts, guys. You can grow these accounts, but it got to be slow and steady. You got to have a mindset to go with the account. If you got 5,000, you can't be thinking like you got 10,000. You can't be trading like you got 10,000. You got to trade like you got 5,000. Probably you should trade like you got about 2,500 in your account when you sitting at 5K. You feel me? When you sitting at 10K, you probably want to feel like you sitting at like 7, 8. And if you can think like that and trade like that, you're going to stick around for a long time in this industry. All right. So let's see what we got. So we got prices just pulling back. Now I didn't sync up the profits with the candles. I ain't got time for all that, guys. I got twins. I got my 16-year-old I gotta deal with. I ain't got time to be doing all that. But just wanted to show y'all this thing work out together. Everything working together. And the 50 moving average strategy is a hit. All right. Comment below. Let me know if this 50 moving average strategy was a hit for you guys. All right, because I got a lot of people giving me testimonials about how this thing is helping them, it's changing their life, it's helping them make profits, and it's just incredible. And some people gonna make their version of it, their tweaks to it. That's fine. But I've been hearing a lot of good things about it. I already know it was phenomenal. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to give it to y'all because Team Take Profits, we don't compete, baby. We dominate. And one of the ways that we dominate is by giving. That's how we win. And I want y'all to be givers as well. All right. So guys, do me a favor, please. If you still sticking around to this video, please share this video with about 2 friends on social media. Share it. Put my channel out there, J Take Profits, because I want to grow this channel. I want to grow this channel to 500,000 subscribers. You feel me? You can just see me take profit right there. It hit my take profit, I'm out. You feel me? I ain't messing around. But yeah, guys, help me as I help you. If you guys can just share the video with a couple friends on social media, put J Take Profits out there. Like I said, I want to grow this channel to about 500,000. I think we can get to 1 million. I think the value that I give for free is worth $1 million. You feel me? It's worth $1 million. So let's get the channel to 1 million subscribers. Because I want to reinvest back to the YouTube channel. I want to go out and do things with y'all. I want to bring us all together. You feel me? I want to create things that can help y'all. But we just got to push the channel. So let's just do it as a team, y'all. All right. So, hey, that's the end of the trade. A quick 10 pips because the market was just a lot of news going on. It's unpredictable right now. Y'all see it, but we still won. All right. That's elite trading. Trade like a pro. All right, don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and let's make this money, baby. Peace.